Let's take a look at how to create a floor plan and a space plan from an existing image. So I've got my, we're going to open a file that already exists that has the space plan in it, save it, and then we'll draw the outer walls, and then we'll draw the space plan inside and save that as we go. So here we go. This is what it looks like, and you can see there's a color code set up over here that will apply here. But we're just going to make it just very quickly. We're going to just do some quick drawing on here, and it won't take too much. I'm just going to do the outer walls first. And I don't have to be perfect. This is a concept visualization. That's all it is. I might want to get this kind of lined up. That would be a good one to line up. To get it straight and square, it'll be much easier. So to do that, I clicked this point and dragged down. Still not clicking anything. Came over and found that point and dragged it over. Then it gave me that point. Then I could click. Okay, so there we go. I've got, that's my building. If I want to look at it kind of on the edge, there it is. And let me look at it. If I were to click on, you can see I've got my outside of it. So I can either put it into kind of my wireframe mode so that I can see right through to get these dimensions in there. Or I could even just get rid of that whole bottom piece. I'll just leave it like this in wireframe mode. And now I'm just going to make some boxes. I got to find sort of, there's that end. So that looks pretty close. I'll come over to here, try to find the end. That looks pretty good. Now I can find this one. I'll just kind of get there. Come over to here. I've got all of those. And now I can get these individual ones. There we go. I think I've got it. Let me get it out of that mode. Yeah, I've got a bunch of, now this one isn't too good. I'm kind of messed up on that one. So I think and it is just easier if I get these ones kind of right. So I'll come over and get that one a little bit better. Get up to there. Fix that one up. There we go. So there it is. I've got it. Let me go ahead and get my colors going. Now I just need to put some colors in here. So if I hit the paint bucket and I look at my materials, I'll make the other ones get small. I open up my materials. I can go to colors, named colors, and I can just get something that's close. That one looks like the conference room. Oh, I don't have, oh, that's not so good. Those should find individual pieces. There we go. Let me catch this one. That one's an office. It's kind of orange. That looks like a good orange. And I think this one is an office also. I think this one was the copy, so I'm going to click the main one. Get that one down to be the copy area. Looks kind of like that. No, maybe it's this. There we go. That's pretty close. This one's the toilet. So that's going to be one of these green ones. That one. And now my reception area, I'm going to need, I think I need a line right there to delineate the reception area so that I can make that blue. It's maybe that. And it doesn't matter. You don't have to be perfect. These are just going to be close. And then the hallway is left. There we go. And that's it. I've got now a space plan. I don't need dimensions. I don't need anything like that. Let's see if I did okay here. Oh, I didn't save it. I needed to save it with my initials. Draw the outer walls, draw the inner walls, and then put some images in. So let's go ahead. I better save this one. File, save as, and I'll put that as floor plan, and I'll put my initials on it. There we go. That's it. Quick, simple, easy, but it gives somebody, it's called a bubble diagram, a space plan, a space layout, a planning layout. People use all sorts of different words for it. It just gives a quick visual so somebody can see, yeah, that's about right. That's about how much office I want. That's I do need a copy room, and I want a nice reception area. So let's people talk about it. There we go.